Hi, your automation bugs, but it too slow. What if Python could connect to multiple Cisco device at the same time? Correct? So, welcome back to day 10 of our network automation with Python series on Explore IT issues solution for all. In previous videos, we automated backup, retry, email reports, and scheduling. Correct? But today we will optimize automation speed using the Python multi-threading. So the concept is, what is multi-threading? So normally once you have run the script is going to the one by one the device 1, then wait, then device 2, then wait, then device 3, then wait. But the multi-threading, all devices run together. I hope you understand. Correct? So normally Python concept devices one by one, but multi-threading allows multi-connection together, faster execution, parallel automation. Okay, so I have designed this script in the multiple steps. I'll show you. See this. What is the multi-threading? So normally Python concepts device one by one, but multi-threading allows multiple connection together, faster execution, parallel automation. So in step 1, import library. So as I have already multiple time I told you, the first we need to import the library. So this is a script for the import the library. Correct? Then step 2, we create a device function. So device function backup. Okay. So what is our motive? We need to require a backup of the devices. Correct? So we create a device function. Step 3 is a connect device. So connect devices, we are using the Netmiko. So is the connection handler is using the Netmiko. Netmiko is the library which I have already told you in the our previous videos. Correct? Then step 4 is the thread execution. Thread execution means this creates the 5 parallel thread. This create 5 parallel threads. Now multiple device can run simultaneously. Understood? Then step 5, this send all device to parallel threads. So these all steps we can put it in the netpad file, then we can create a script. After that we can run, then what output we can receive. Okay, so see this, I have added the all information in this notepad file, you see, and I told you we need required this information, command information in the text file. So is I told you this is our all devices, and I have insert all devices information in the Excel file. This is a CSV. This is a CSV. So all 4 devices added the username, password, and IP address. You can create the multiple device like this, and 100 and so on. As per your network infrastructure, you can edit the devices information in this CSV file. Then CSV we can recall in the script to connect the device and receive the output from the switches or routers like show version, show running configuration, show IP interface brief, like this. So as per your network infrastructure, you can add or remove the command information as you need to require to get from the backup. Okay, so these script we can run in the CMD. Okay, so let's see what happen when we have run this. Okay, so before going to run this, I will go to the file and save this file as a name, any name you can provide it, or I will already given the name of this file multithreading.py, but I am for going for the again for show you save as. So like test multiple threading. Okay, THREADS multi-threads .py. I'm using .py because py is the extension of the Python. So we need to save this this file in the py format. So I'll have saved this file in the desktop. Save. Now I'm go to the our CMD and before running this configuration, we need to go to the directory which this file is saved. So this file is saved in the desktop, so first we need to go to the desktop directory. So cd.desktop. Okay, so now I am in the desktop directory. Now I have run this file as I have using the text test.multithread, correct? So python space test test thread.py. So once we have hit the enter, we receive some information in the cmd. So you can see that what information we have received in this. So I'm just hitting the enter here. Enter. You see this device is connecting 1 2 3 all devices as I have, and run the all configuration in parallelly, so it's very fast. So our motive is this: we need to run the script in very less time and we receive the output in very fast. So the same thing we have run either here, and I got the output in the text file under the backup folder which I have created. See this. So this first router, we receive the information as we have running configuration command something. Then step 2, we are using this. So as I have using the 4 router in our lab, I'll show you this. The all 4 routers output, backup output means command output, we have received in the text file using by this script, correct? So I hope you are understand all the things. So means that this script is running, the means all now all the devices execute together, making automation much faster. So this is no longer beginner automation, this is an enterprise level automation, correct? So I hope you are understand all the things. So if you like this video, kindly please subscribe our channel and hit like button and press on the bell icon so you receive the notification. Very much for using our this. So thank you so much for watching our channel.